Welcome back to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making simple, easy, quick and super fluffy pancakes. So stay tuned to find out how I make them. If you're new to my channel, press on the subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Click on the like and share my videos with your family and friends. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the ingredients, you will need 240 ml of milk, 200 grams sifted flour, 2 eggs, 30 grams of sugar, 20 grams powdered milk or 20 grams natural yogurt, 60 grams melted butter, 12 grams baking powder, and 6 grams of salt. Start by melting the butter, then sift the flour, the powdered milk, and the baking powder into a large bowl. Add the sugar, add the salt, and mix well to combine all the dry ingredients. In another bowl, add the 2 eggs and whisk well. Then add the milk and whisk. Then add the melted butter and whisk until well combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients all at once and mix until a smooth batter. Then transfer the batter into a pouring jug. Heat a pan or an electric pan if you have one. Grease your pan with a little bit of oil or a little bit of butter if you're not sure that your pancake won't stick. Then use a tablespoon to start adding the batter into the hot pan. Don't add too much batter as the pancakes will expand. If you want to make small pancakes like I did, use only half a tablespoon of the batter. When bubbles appear on top of the pancakes, flip over on the other side. Keep an eye on them as they cook very quickly. The pancakes should be fluffy and golden brown. To make big pancakes, add a full spoon of the butter. And when bubbles appear on the top, as you see on the video, flip them very quickly using a spatula so they don't break. Repeat the process until you finish all the batter. When cooked, remove from the pan and put on a rack tray to cool down. Et voila, our light and fluffy pancakes are ready. I filled a small one with Biscoff and chocolate spread and topped them with sliced strawberries and bananas. For the big one, I've topped them with strawberries and bananas and drizzled some honey for an extra yumminess. Believe me, these pancakes are super delicious and loaded with flavors. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, it's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.